Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Now, today, as you have all, we have completed the revision work of all the lessons which are coming in periodic test 1. Clear revision of history, civics, geography, everything we have done. But now, what to do today and for tomorrow? We'll do overall revision once again. And for today, I hope everybody know about the revision test on Google Form link.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that link,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, that link will be shared soon on the student portal as well as with you. But then it will be enabled at what time?
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
1
Okay.
p.m.
Yes. Then new admission Parth Dadij. It is a new admission, a new student of your class. Uh, Parth Dadij, you find any difficulty in anything, then you can just
No, ma'am.
okay, then you can concern the subject teachers and all. For today's revision test, the link will be uploaded on the student portal as well as in your group. It will be shared, and you have to go that click on that link, and then you have to start the revision test. Clear? Everybody is clear? And if any
Yes,
help,
ma'am.
Parth, if any help for SSC, you can concern me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And if any other student wants to help, Dhruv and all, you can help also. Now for revision, overall revision we will take today. First overall revision of lesson number 1, history. Everybody is ready? Now nobody will raise hands up. Okay? I will give the chance to each and everyone for today's revision test, and everybody should answer. Clear? Now, so many days passed, we are doing the revision, and each and everything is revised carefully. Now, till now, everybody should know. And whichever name I announce, you can speak out the answer. Okay, rest everybody will mute themselves. अपने ऑडियोज ऑफ रखेंगे, जिसका नाम बोलूंगी मैं वही बोलेगा, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. First, what was the symbol of British power? Arish, British power. Symbol of British power. In which picture is given in your book, and Brahmins offering the Shastras to that British power. The first page. Yes, Arish. Are you able to listen my questions clearly? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, my voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then first I'm giving a chance to Arish. Arish, what was the symbol of British power? And in the picture it is written that under the picture Brahmins offering Shastras to the British power. Which British power? Okay, next after Arish who will going to answer. Dhruv. Dhruv is present in the class. Dhruv, yes. Can you answer this? The symbol of British
Ma'am,
power? Yes.
ma'am, 2 seconds.
Huh?
Hmm.
Okay, next after Dhruv, I will give chance to Harish. Harish, you can answer Harish. The symbol of British power, first page of history book, first lesson. Okay, from girls now. Anjali, you can answer.
Ma'am, answer B. Lord Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten. He was the symbol of British power, beta, in which the figure is shown under the figure. Brahmins were offering Shastras to the British power, as if asking her to become the protector of Indian culture. Beta, that is why I'm asking that read the information given below the picture. Yes, Dhruv?
Ma'am, Britannia.
Yes, now you come to know. Britannia. It is given first page of lesson number 1. The beginning of the lesson. One picture is given, figure 1, in which Brahmins offering the Shastras to Britannia. And Britannia was a symbol of power. And the picture looks as if asking her to become the protector of Indian culture. So Britannia is asked to protect the which culture? Which
Indian
culture?
culture.
Indian culture. So now everybody knows the answer. Arish, you know the answer, which is the symbol of British power here shown in lesson number 1. Arish, you don't want to participate in revision, beta, oral revision? Unmute yourself and speak out. Push. Okay, no problem. I don't know what happened. So rest everybody understood about the British power. What was the British power? A symbol of British power?
Britannia.
Britannia. Yes.
Britannia.
Yes. Okay, Arish. No problem. Network problem is there. No problem. So you are understanding now, Arish? Okay, fine. Next, Gargi, you also understood British power, symbol of British power. Now, next question. The first Governor General. The name of first Governor General, I will ask you now, Bhavika. Bhavika, the first Governor General.
Yes, ma'am.
First Governor General.
सॉरी मैम मुझे पता नहीं.
Okay, no problem, beta, no problem. Shubham?
Warren Hastings.
Yes. Now you understand, Bhavika?
Yes, ma'am.
The first Governor General. Yes, Jayashri, first Governor General.
Warren Hastings.
Warren Hastings. Clear? And last Viceroy? Last Viceroy will give, answer will give,
Lord Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten.
yes, Lord,
Lord Mountbatten.
Lord Mountbatten. First Governor General, Warren Hastings. Last Viceroy, Lord Mountbatten. Be careful about these two names. Okay. Next question. Any other viceroys? Can you give me some names of the other viceroys which were there? कोई दूसरे viceroy? Yes. Anybody? Vidhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Bentinck and Dalhousie.
Yes. Bentinck and Dalhousie. Now another question. Another question goes to Shubhang. Now Shubhang will answer that.
Yes, ma'am.
What does the advertisement which is given in figure number 2, that is the advertisement given in 1922 for Lipton tea, suggest? The advertisement in 1922 about Lipton tea suggest what? suggestion? Yes, Preet.
Ma'am, it suggests that this tea is used by some
Yes,
high
some.
class people.
Very good. This tea, Lipton tea, suggests in 1922 the advertisement shows that the royalty all over the world is associated with this tea. Royalty. Hope it is clear. Okay, under the picture only I will ask next also, so that you are well aware that pictures, under the pictures are also important information. Next is, who is seated on the horseback? Who is seated on the horseback? Uh, that according to your lesson number 1, who is seated on the horseback? That is Governor General Warren Hastings, Lord Mountbatten, or Prince, third son of Queen Victoria, Prince Arthur.
Ma'am, I know this.
And wait. Now, Shubham, you know, Shubham, you know this now? Who has been shown on the horseback in figure number 2 of your book? It, is it Governor General Warren Hastings, Lord Mountbatten, or the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain, Prince Arthur? Yes, please.
I know the answer.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
third
Queen
son of
Victoria of Britain.
yes. The third son of Queen Victoria of Britain.
Prince Arthur.
Prince Arthur can also be the answer. Prince Arthur. Now
It
another.
is the title of given is Duke of Connaught.
Very good, very good. So the question may be in this form also. Who was the third son of Queen Victoria of Britain? Britain, that is Prince
Prince
Arthur,
Arthur.
or who was called as the Duke of Connaught? Then also Prince Arthur. है Prince Arthur was given which type of this we can
Ma'am?
say. Yes, Shubham.
मैम मेरे नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से मैम ऑटोमेटिकली लीव हो गई थी मैम, मैंने लीव नहीं की थी, तो मैम आप मेरा कोई दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछ लेना.
Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, next another question. Another question I will ask from now this. Shubham only will give. Who was James Mill? Who was James Mill? A Governor General, Viceroy, or a Scottish economist, political philosopher? Who was James Mill?
मैम पॉलिटिकल फिलोसफर.
Yes, James Mill was a Scottish economist and political philosopher. Okay, fine. Next answer will be given by Jatin. Jatin, you can give the answer about the name of the massive 3-volume work written by James Mill. The name of the massive 3-volume work by James Mill. James Mill has given 3-volume work. Everybody knows that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then what is the name given to that 3-volume work, Jatin?
I don't know.
Yes, Jatin. You don't know? Jayashri?
Volume work, A History of British India.
Yes. The history of British India was the massive 3-volume work. History of British India was the massive 3-volume work, and it was given by whom? Given by whom?
James Mill.
James Mill.
James Mill.
Okay. Okay. Next question will given. Now, Jatin, you know the answer. Jatin, can you
Yes.
can you repeat the answer?
History of British Victoria.
India. A history of
India.
British India. Okay, fine.
India.
Okay. Now, next answer will be given by Harish. Harish has given. Any answer? Who thought that all Asian societies were at the lower level? Who thought that all the Asian societies were at the lower level? Lord Curzon, Ripon, Lord Harding, or Mill? Wait, Harish first. Let me give the chance to Harish. If Harish not, then other students.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Who thought that all Asian societies were at a lower level of civilization than Europe? Who thought that all Asian societies were at a lower level of
Ma'am, I
civilization?
think
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
James Mill.
Okay, good. James Mill. Who has given this answer, James Mill?
Vineet Mirchandani.
Okay, Vineet. Yes, James Mill is the correct answer. Now next, so James Mill thought that all Asian societies. Now when James Mill thought that all Asian societies were at the lower level of civilization than Europe, then according to him only, whose rule, whose rule can help the Indians? Whose rule?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Ma'am,
Okay,
British
okay.
rule.
Ma'am, British rule.
Huh. So which I'm repeating the question again, that if James Mill thought that all Asian societies were at the lower level of European civilization, then according to his telling, whose rule can and bring enlightenment and happiness of the Indian people? Whose rule can bring enlightenment or progress? We can say.
British rule.
British rule can bring the progress according to me. British rule can bring the progress, enlightenment, and happiness, because he thought that the Indian civilization was at the all Asian societies were at the lower level. Clear, everyone? Everyone clear about
Yes,
this?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Next question is, can anybody tell me what is colonization in short? One simple definition of colonization in short. Shubham, you know the answer? Or Vineet, you know the answer? Preet, wait,
Ma'am, can you repeat the
Values
question?
and taste,
Ma'am, can you
custom
repeat
and
it?
practice when
wait.
the subjection of
Okay, okay. I'm repeating the answer. What do you mean by colonization? In short, not in detail, only in short I want. What do you mean by colonization?
Ma'am, shall I say?
Yes, yes,
Ma'am, when a country is ruled by another country, it is known as colonization.
yes. When in simple definition in your book it is given, when subjugation, the word subjugation is given there. When the subjugation means bringing the country, another country under their supremacy. So when subjugation of one country by another leads to what? Different changes, political, economic, social, cultural changes. जब एक कंट्री दूसरे को अपने अंडर में ला करके कुछ चेंजेस करता है, then it is called as colonization. Changes आते हैं तो clear? Everybody clear with this history?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, next question. Who is going to answer now? Mohammad Arman is present. When a census operation held, after how many years?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Wait. I am giving chance to Mohammad Arman. When are census operations held? Means how many years, within how many years the census operations are held? Yes, Mohammad Darman, can you answer? Okay, if Mohammad Darman no, then Gargi, then Vidhi, census
Every
operation.
10 years.
Yes, good. Census operations were held every 10 years. Were held every 10 years at that time. Okay. So now next question for Mehak. Now Mehak is going to answer. Which gardens, which gardens and natural history museums established by British collected plant specimens and information about their uses? Which gardens and natural history museums established by the British collected plant specimens and information about their uses? One hand is already. Wait. Let others also get the chance. Otherwise, you will answer. Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Okay. Which gardens and natural history museums established by British collected plant specimens and information about their uses?
May I say?
Who? Yes.
Ma'am, can I give?
Okay. Dhruv, who is going? First, give the name. Speak out your name. कौन बोल रहा है?
Ma'am, Dhruv.
Okay, Dhruv.
Harish.
Yes.
Ma'am, Botanical Gardens.
Anybody else?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry.
Information
Yes.
about their uses.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Botanical Gardens.
Okay. Okay. Botanical garden is the correct answer. Botanical gardens, and then local artists were also asked to draw the pictures of these specimens. Yes or no? Who were asked to draw the pictures of these specimens? Local
Local
artists.
artist.
Huh. So now next question goes for Priyanka. Anyone Priyanka, okay? Both Priyanka are present today, so you will. British thought surveys were important for what purpose? Priyanka. British thought surveys were important for what purpose? Yeah, it is given your question. Writing history, effective judgment. Okay, Mehak, you can give the answer.
Effective administration.
Okay, good. Priyanka, any Priyanka? Okay, no problem. So I hope this history is clear now, from where you have to read and be careful about that. What are questions can be asked from under the picture. Small information also is there. Then you read that information also. Clear? Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. Which is not the source of describing history? The answer will be given by Tanishka. Tanishka is present? Yes, Tanishka. Which is not the source of
Can I give?
Wait. Let Tanishka try. And be careful about these not questions, especially. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
You know the answer, which is not the source of describing history.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Conservation between two people.
conversation between two people. Yes, and Arish, you want to answer? The British preserve official documents because the British preserve official documents because who want?
Ma'am, Tanishka.
Ma'am, can I give?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Huh?
all of above.
Anybody else? Yes, Vidhi. Yes,
All of the above.
Preet.
Ma'am, all of the above.
Okay, fine. Shubhang. Shubhang is there. Shubhang or Shubham? Anybody is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Ma'am, all
ma'am.
of the above.
All of
Ma'am,
the
all of the
clear?
above.
Okay, good. So here I make an end to today's class. Clear? Prepare nicely for the Google form. Plus on 8th, the questions means on 8th your periodic assessment. One is there. Yes or no? Periodic test one. When? What is the date?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, on 8th. So be careful on that day. On 8th, only this link will be provided on the student portal. Clear?
On study material or work, live classes, work upload.
Live class only. Huh? Clear? Live class only
Yes, ma'am.
uploaded, and you can check over there, and not it will be not shared in the group on 8th. Clear? So be careful. Read each and every question and have a copy of that as a backup. मान लो कोई नेटवर्क इश्यू हो गया, कुछ हो गया, तो आपके पास एक बैकअप कॉपी होनी चाहिए उस क्वेश्चन पेपर की, ठीक है ना, जो आपने अटेंड किया है, अगर आप टाइम से अपलोड नहीं कर सके तो उस टाइप से. But everybody be careful. You have to the time limit. You have to upload the submit the paper within the given time limit only. Clear? Yes, Dhruv, you want to ask anything? Be careful about the time limit. Afterwards, don't call me, मैम हमारा ये टाइम चला गया. उसके बाद 1 मिनट ही ऊपर हुआ था और लिंक क्लोज हो गया. At that time, ma'am will be very particular on 8th. The link will be closed at the given time only. Clear? वहां पर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम नहीं मिलेगा आपको. Am I clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके मैम.
Okay. And
यस मैम.
okay, that's
मैम
all.
पर आपने तनिष्क से तो कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा ही नहीं.
किससे?
मैम तनिष्क से.
Tanishk, no problem. Tanishk, tomorrow again our class is there, na? Who's giving this question? Means who's asking this question? Tanishk ने नहीं पूछा. तनिष्क से पूछ रहा है. नो प्रॉब्लम तनिष्क, जिसको अभी आज चांस नहीं मिली है उसका कल चांस आएगी बेटा. टुमारो अगेन.
यस मैम, ये ध्रुव ने बोला मैम, मेरे फ्रेंड
बता
ने,
दोगे
फ्रेंड ही
ना?
कर सकता है.
टुमारो
कल आप
अगेन.
मार्क्स क्यों बता दोगे?
किसके मार्क्स बेटा?
मैम जो टेस्ट होगा आज.
अच्छा ठीक है. इफ यू वांट आई विल in a live student portal only, means live class only, I will discuss the questions and then will give the one who will ask, I will give the marks to that student only. जो पूछेगा